Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your work. Immediately save a copy to a new file name, then close the original. Once done, disable autosave briefly so PowerPoint stops writing while you troubleshoot. You should also close other heavy apps and check available RAM and disk space. Low resources often freeze the app. Make sure you know the file size and Office version before proceeding. With that in place, you're ready to restart PowerPoint in a controlled way and prevent further corruption. You now isolate causes. Launch PowerPoint in safe mode by holding Control or using the /safe flag. This skips add-ins and customizations so you can test stability. If safe mode works, go to File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins, and Manage COM Add-ins. Disable them one at a time to find the culprit. Also inspect the presentation for oversized media. Extract or replace large videos and images to reduce file size, because massive embedded files can make operations non-responsive and cause frequent hangs. Finish by repairing Office. Run quick repair first, then online repair if needed. This restores core files without losing documents. Next, search %temp% for auto-recover or unsaved presentation files and open them. Export slides into a fresh PPTX to avoid carrying corruption forward. If PowerPoint remains unresponsive on your machine, try opening the file on another PC or convert it to a different format. One key troubleshooting tip. If reopening fails, copy slides into a blank new file. That often recovers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.